Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you join me and we're going to fit some new lights to the Tuono. Now if any of you have got a 15 plus plate Tuono up till 2021, the lights are not that great. Now you can do a couple of things to upgrade them. You can add LEDs, which I'm about to do, and you can also do a little wiring hack to make both of the lights come on, which I'm not going to do. I can't be bothered because that involves taking the whole front fairing off and I don't want to do that. So I bought these. These are Philips ultinon H7 fitment, which is what you need for the Tuono. We're going to put them in here. Let me show you what they look like now. That is not how they look. I need to start it, which is a bit painful. Right, this is what they look like now. Kind of yellowy. The middle light's all right. Let's see if I can put the big light on. I'm not replacing that today, just these two. Yellow. Right, let's see how hard it is to do. Okay, I don't know how good this light is, but in order to get access here, you need to go in here and get to one of these plates. Turn the bars all the way to the left, and then I believe you simply twist them, and out it comes. And that gives you access to the bulb. Okay, so there's a retaining clip in there. You can see, you're gonna have to take that off. And once the retaining clip's off, I believe you just pull it out. But let's give it a go. Okay, so the retaining clip simply comes out. You have to pinch these and then pinch these two little silver bits here and it will just release the whole bulb. So be careful when you're releasing it. Get these things out of the way. Those clips out of the way. Try not to touch the bulb on anything. These clips are kind of fiddly and annoying. And that gives you access to the bulb, the halogen bulb. Let's replace it. To be honest, this is the most awkward thing in the world to film. So, that comes off like so. Push pull fit, H7. You'll have a quick inspection, make sure they're all good. All look fine to me. Using these. Oof, LED bad boys. They look a bit different, don't they? I believe there's a fan inside of these fins to keep them cool. It says plus. So it says plus just here. There's a little, you probably can't see it on the camera, but that little mark says plus. Okay, I'm just checking which one is live. And that is the brown, because I'm an idiot and I didn't look hard enough when I took them off. So, let's fit the bulb. So plus is this side, so that goes on like so. Beautiful fit, actually quite nicely fitting. We've got to move this cage out of the way again. I actually can't see what I'm doing right now. I can feel it though. Cool. See if I can show you that. Get a light in here for you. So if you look here, you can see the little retainer clip. That's in, finished. And all you got to do is put the cover back on. Like so. Right, let's start the bike and see what it looks like. There we go. It does not do it justice how white that is and bright. When the bike's running, it's so much lighter. Nice crystal white, horrible yellow. Really nice little mod that. Very happy. For anyone wondering, these were £60. You can get cheaper ones on eBay and I think they'll probably be just as effective. But I got these from a company called LED Perf. From France, I believe, and they were 60 quid because I know these work and I like a good trusted brand like Philips, for example, for bulbs. Anyway, I hope this video helped. That's how you change a bulb on a Tuono to LED, or any other bulb if you want. See you later.